Boom. All right, guys, welcome back. Dr. Julie Ben. Well, in this video, I'm going to be introducing some things to you guys. This is called a kickboard, right? Now, you may be wondering what a kickboard is used for. Funny enough, these kickboards are actually used to enhance swimming, right? It can help you float for a particular period of time and will also help you do your practice while you're swimming. Now, but it's amazing for you to know that this kickboard never sinks, okay? Even if it does, it will surely come back to the surface and you will just see it coming back and it will remain floating on the surface. Now, the amazing thing about this kickboard is even if I separate it, it still remains floating. If I force it under the water, relieve my hand, all of a sudden they will all come back, okay? Now, that is to tell you that they will never remain under the bottom of the pool. And so, as it stands, if I position these kickboards in this way, it may interest you to hear that I can actually lie on top of these kickboards and I won't sink, I will float, okay? That's the gospel truth. Now, the density of water is known to be 1,000 grams per liter, isn't it? Or simply put, 1 gram per cm cube. Now, the fact remains that as heavy as I am over 100 kg, okay? Yeah, sorry about that, that's my weight. If you convert, that's my mass. If you convert that to weight, I'm 1,000 Newton, right? Yeah, it's crazy, but that's me. My weight is concentrated in my bones. So I can actually be on top of this board and remain afloat. You may be wondering how possible it is, but that is the gospel truth, and that is what I've been doing all this while. Each time you see me lying on the surface of the water, but the boss will be very much hidden from you, and you will think that Julie Ben actually can float. Julie Ben actually can bring his weight to be equal to the density of the water, therefore he can float, or his recipe. All those things are lies, okay? I was just joining facts with lies to make you believe that I can actually float on the surface of the water and even sleep. But they are all lies, okay? But this is actually the secret behind it. Now I'm going to show you how I can actually lie on top of this and it looks as if nothing is going on, right? So let me take this for example. If I put it just behind me and I lie. All right, so now you can see I am totally floating on the surface of the water, right? Now, I'm floating not because my weight is equal to the weight of the liquid displaced. No, that's not true. And that's simply because the kickboard itself has the ability to increase the upthrust of the water, thereby equalizing my weight with that of the upthrust of the water. And so I can remain afloat. I can even take my hands to my head and nothing happens, right? So that is what a kickboard can do. I can actually do many other things with this kickboard. And many of you that have little or no idea of the secret behind the kickboard, you will just all of a sudden believe that Julie Ben is floating. Whosoever you see lying on the waters like this is floating. Meanwhile, there is nothing there behind. You got it? All right, so basically that's a short clip. Say we cross our path again. I remain Dr. Julie.